Before we dive into installing Java, there is something that we can do on our machine to check to see if Java has already been installed or not. Now, my machine is completely brand new, so I know for a fact it hasn't been, but it's always good to run a quick check. Now, I'm going to do this here on my Mac, but if you're on Windows, you can do something very similar by opening the command prompt. So I'm going to open Terminal. I can do that here from Spotlight just by typing Terminal, or I can actually go down to my dock. And if I go into Launchpad here, if we look in Other, you'll see Terminal. And I'm actually going to drag this down into my dock because I'm going to use it a lot. And from there, now I can just go into my dock bar and hit Terminal. So if we open this up here, we're just going to run a quick command and we're going to say Java space dash version. So it's going to say no Java runtime environment is present. To use Java command line tool, you need to install JDK, click more info to visit the Java Developer Kit download website. So remember, Java runtime just means the JRE. So we could do that if we wanted to, but I'm not actually going to. I'm going to show you a different way that I like to install Java, as well as a bunch of other SDKs that we can use throughout our time as Java developers. But that was just a quick check to see if Java was installed on your machine or not. If it is installed, it'll pop up some information and show you the exact version that you're running on your machine. So I hope that was helpful. And what we're going to do now in the next lesson, we're going to get Java installed on our local machine. So let's go ahead and get to it.